Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the document and confirming where numbering should begin. Make sure you can see page breaks in print layout. Next, insert a section break if the start page is mid-document, so Word treats it separately. You do this via Layout Breaks Next page. Once done, double-check the new section begins on the intended page. This ensures numbering changes won't affect earlier pages. Now you edit the header/footer in the section where numbering starts. Double-click the top or bottom to open it. Make sure to click Link to Previous to turn it off so the sections are independent, because otherwise formatting carries over. Then choose Insert Page Number Format Page Numbers and set Start At to the number you want. This tells Word to begin counting that section at your chosen value, rather than continuing the previous. To finish, update fields and close the header/footer. You can press F9 to refresh page numbers across the document. Make sure to scroll through and confirm numbering matches your plan. If numbers jump or repeat, check for accidental section breaks or missed unlinking of headers and footers. If problems continue, save a copy and try recreating the section break in a fresh document. This isolated approach often reveals hidden formatting that was causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.